close to affection. I can feel you on my skin. A deeper connection flowing to you from within. Time after time, you led me to believe. Time after time, your love is the only thing I should receive. From that I come closer, baby. From that I closer to my body. From that I come to feel my rhythm. From that I can lose it, come run over to me. From that I come closer. From that I closer to my body. Are you guys over the side? How you guys doing on this side? Alright, alright. How you guys doing in the middle? How's everybody doing in the house this evening? Woo! Do you want one more? Do you want one more? You don't sound convincing. I'm gonna go. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for coming out one more time. The next song we're gonna do is one of my original songs. It's called Love Came Down. You might have seen us doing it this morning on Espresso. If you were up at that hour, something's wrong with you. Okay? Just putting it out there. But the song is Love Came Down, and it's available on iTunes for download. Put a little money in my pocket, please. Are you loving the band?
Yeah!
Every day, so mundane. There you were, angel eyes, hypnotized, and left me breathless. Without simple hesitation, found myself a new sensation. Was a divine compensation from above. I had my doubts but didn't mention. You had my heart in suspension. Should have questioned every moment that we shared. All because love rained down. How sweet the sound of whisper words you never said out loud. I tried so hard, let down my guard. So maybe this is not forever. Paradise, stolen ties, filled with disbelief. Another chance, a new romance, and a pocket full of broken-hearted dreams. Now a simple hesitation, feel so lost in this frustration. Could this be the destination I deserve? I had my doubts but didn't mention. Is the whole